Hey, what's up everyone? It's been a minute since we made a video. Some of you know and some of you might not, but Mario was in a pretty good dirt bike accident about 10 weeks ago. Broke both his legs, so we took a little break, but we're on our first trip. He's back and feeling pretty good. Not 100% yet, but he's getting there. I'd say we're right about 90 right now. We're up north right now, Flagstaff, and we're going to be camping around the Lake Mormon area and Lake Amherst. We're going to be in between those two lakes, so we're going to try to get some fishing in and see what happens. So we're going to do some vlogging, and we got Jolene out. She ran pretty good, gave me a little trouble going up the hills there. Had to back her off a little bit, overheating. Not overheating, but getting hot and making me nervous, so I had to back it down. But we're going to take a little video here on this quick little drive here, then we're going to get back to when we get stopped. And hope you guys enjoy this. So Liz took over the camera for a little bit here, and we're going to let you see a little bit of Lower Lake Mary. I can't say I've been up here in a while. I came up through here with a semi truck many years ago, so I totally forgot this was like this, and this guy's just gonna cut us off, but that's okay. So we got a few miles to go before we turn left to head to the camp spot, but figure we give you guys a little glimpse of this. We're up north again in Flagstaff. Weather's incredible. We're in the mid 70s right now. It's gonna get down into the 40s at night. Hold this. I knew this was going to be a mess. We're going to look for a camp spot because Jolene's not capable of off-roading without prior consent.
I'm babysitting Jolene. She's never been off-roading before, so we have to what she can handle before we go down the road because she is too big for a U-turn.
This is pretty much what we have to work with, and it's literally right off the main road.
How the fuck did I get in here? Everything is good on my right. I feel like I'm tripping in a hole here. You keep going to my left.
I'm not going to your left. I'm right behind you. I can see.
Is the ground flat where my wheels are?
No.
Well,
The ground is just not flat. It goes up to the road.
that's not what I'm worried about.
So what's up, everyone? We're back and we're set up. It's about 4 o'clock now and we're just eating breakfast and lunch. Yeah, it was that kind of a day. We spent about the better part of, I don't know, an hour and a half, 2 hours looking for a spot. And it was kind of tough because everyone's here. I mean, there's people camping in tents and campers, motorhomes, you name it. They're all over the place. But we're out here and we're set up. Pretty good spot. Could have been a little bigger, honestly. But I think we'll get everyone in here. I mean, this was the only spot that had any kind of trees. I even drove down the road where there were no trees. I was even willing to bear the sun, but there was nothing down there. I probably would have had to go all the way to Lake Amherst or something, or even past that. I don't even know what's down there. I've never been here. Haven't been here in a while. But I'm going to give you guys a little tour of this spot. I'm going to flip the camera around, so give me a second here. That is Lake Amherst Road. And we got a pretty good piece of real estate, honestly. There's a fire pit in the middle here. We can get some wrapped around. I mean, we have about 7-8 rigs coming, so. And just tripped over a rock. And we can get all the way around in here. There's room for one in front of me, or two even. Depends how you want to play that. I would go for two. I mean, we can get some right down in here. You have to come around from the other side and sneak it in. But we have a lot of options here. See, there's a tent right there. I mean, I don't even know what the fuck is going on, honestly. I don't even know if they're in there. I don't think so. I think because the weather is just so good here, I think a lot of people are living here right now, you know, homeless and stuff like that. You know, 75 degrees, you know. I mean, there's even some real estate right there if we have to do Mickey Mouse ears kind of thing with the camping. But I think this is as good as it gets. I think the group will be happy. I know I'm happy. The only thing that was a big issue when we first pulled up and was getting set up, gnats. My God, we were getting eaten alive. Mario, however, already got stuck in the mud. Yeah, we weren't here 15 minutes. He says, I'm gonna go explore. And so we got some mountain bikes. Yep, that's Liz and Mario's. They share that one. Mine's over here. Got a couple of Talarias. Mario's new MX-4. That was in the mud. Not the greatest tire for the mud. And we got a 125. All reliable. That's right. Put the gas in it and they go. Let's see what we did here. Oh yeah, he said he didn't get much mud. But, you know, that's Mario. You give him a minute and he'll find trouble. That's about it, and we'll check back in later. Probably gonna do some fishing this weekend. I got the drone with. Maybe get some cool drone footage of the surrounding area. Yeah, like I said, we've been missing for a while. Mario got hurt, and we went through a lot. He did, but he really gritted it out, and I'm so proud of him, like how strong he is. And how quickly he recovered and how quickly he wants to recover. And he wants to get back on the bike. We're looking forward to that. So I'll see you guys later. All right.